Hey everyone, got a video here for Brad. Get it started. 906. 906, you got a used Proto Destroyer. 6 tickets, there's the names. PayPal info. Alright, 6 tickets, randoms open. Couple refreshes, there's 1. And 2. Connection info. Alright, let's see who the winner is. Number 4. Number 4 is the winner. Winner picked, 907. 907. The winner is number 4 is Disc Me Up. Congratulations, number 4. You're the winner. And then comment in the video, 907. 907. Thanks everyone, have a great day.